Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the future of blockchain technology with Zero-G. I'll guide you through setting up your very own Zero-G validator and storage nodes. This step-by-step tutorial will help you become an active participant in the Zero-G ecosystem, whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or just starting out. Before we begin, what is the Zero-G project? Zero-G, short for Zero Gravity, is a modular AI blockchain designed to revolutionize AI dApps. With its scalable data availability layer, Zero-G manages large data volumes efficiently and ensures data is easily accessible. This innovative system not only stores data, but also rewards nodes for proving data accessibility, enhancing performance and scalability. With $35 million raised in pre-seed funding from notable investors like Animoca Brands and OKX Ventures, Zero-G is a project to watch in the Web3 landscape. Before we dive into the setup, let's go over the prerequisites. You'll need a server with the following specs: memory 64 GB, CPU 8 cores, disk 1 TB SSD, and make sure these ports are available and accessible. For hosting Zero-G nodes, I recommend using a VPS4 server Contabo for its reliability and performance. Check out my Contabo VPS server guide for easy setup. To order your Contabo VPS server, you can click on my referral link. Installing a node can be complex, but I've simplified the process with an Ansible automation script. This script handles deployment, updates, and removal of nodes effortlessly. Let's get started with the system preparation. First, update your system packages and install Git and Ansible. Ensure your Ansible version is 2.15 or higher. Next, clone the project repository to access the Ansible playbook and required files. Initiate the installation of the Zero-G node. For that, use this command. Replace your wallet name with your unique node name. To monitor your node's activity, use this command. Press Ctrl+C to exit the logs. Then create a Zero-G wallet with this command. You'll find your wallet information in this path. Save it for the next steps. Get funds for your wallet via the 0G faucet. Enter your wallet address, verify you're human, and request an AOG token. You will get one AOG. You can only make one request every 24 hours. Claim at least 2 AOG for staking and gas fees. You can import your private key to MetaMask. Then connect to the 0G chain testnet to save the network 0G in your MetaMask. In my case, the 0G network is already present. Before registering your Validator node, ensure your node is synchronized with the 0G blockchain. Use this command. Wait until the catching up variable is false. Synchronization lasts approximately 1 hour. Create and link your validator. For that, use this command. Enter your wallet name and node name when prompted. Once completed, you obtain the address of your validator node by typing this command. You can check the status of your node by typing this command. To delegate tokens to your node, use the following command. Join the Zero-G Discord server and claim the node operators and developer and their testnet validator roles. Check your validator status in the yellow node status channel with this command. You can see the details of your node by clicking on the Explorer tab. Congratulations, your Zero-G validator node is operational. The Zero-G storage node is crucial for maintaining the data availability and storage functionality of the Zero-G network. Install the storage node with this command. Use the same wallet name as for the validator node. Monitor the logs with this command. Congratulations, your 0G storage node is operational. For the last step, complete Form 0G. Here you will find useful information for completing the form. Here is some additional information. For stopping and starting services, use these commands. To remove the nodes, use these commands. That's it, folks. You've successfully set up your 0G validator and storage nodes. Join the 0G community on Discord and Twitter to stay informed and connected. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please support my channel by subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. Stay connected with our latest updates on social media, and I'll see you in the next video.